Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science Contest. This is a grade 7 math Gauss contest question. And it's talking about palindromes, which is a number that is the same read forward or backwards, such as this one, 13931, or the same read backwards, 13931. Can you find the next highest palindrome and then add those digits together? Give it a try, and I'll be right back with the solution. Alright, so in this case, these digits need to be A, B, C, and then repeat B, A for a palindrome. In our case, we have 1, 3, 9, 3, 1. And we need to find the next biggest palindrome. Now we can't simply increase A by 1 because this would have to increase by 1 as well. And having a 2 out in front there makes it a very, very large number. Same goes with B. So what we want to increase then is C. Now we can't really increase 9 to 10. It's going to have to become 0. But essentially we are thinking of a 10 because we're going to then increase B by 1 more, which would be a 4. And you'd have to have a 4 on either side. And keeping 1 the same, that would be the next greatest palindrome. And if we add all these digits together, we get 10. So our answer is D.